Good morning, students. Today we will continue exercise 5.8. So, up to question number 8, first part, we have completed. So, we have to see some more questions from this exercise. So, see question number 8, the last part, 8th part. Exercise 5.8, question number 8, 8th part, last part. It is given sec x plus y is equal to xy is equal to xy. We have to find dy by dx. So differentiating this equation with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, d by dx of sec x plus y is equal to d by dx of xy. Tell what is the derivative of sec x? Derivative of sec x. Derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. But here sec x plus y, in place of x, x plus y is there. In place of x, x plus y is there. So we will write sec x plus y into tan x plus y. So derivative of sec x plus y is sec x plus y into tan x plus y. Derivative of sec is over. Now we have to differentiate x plus y. Now we have to differentiate this x plus y. So what is derivative of x? 1. And derivative of y? D by dx of y. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Is equal to d by dx of x, y, x into y. There are two functions here. We have to apply a product rule. So suppose x is the first function, y is second. So first function, derivative of second means y, plus second function y, derivative of first. Open this bracket. So it is sec x plus y, sec x plus y into tan x plus y into 1. So sec x plus y into tan x plus y plus sec x plus y tan x plus y into dy by dx. Sec x plus y into tan x plus y dy by dx is equal to x dy by dx plus y. D by dx of x is 1. So it is 1. Transpose all the dy by dx one side. So transpose this dy by dx and take common also. Take common. Sec x plus y tan x plus y minus x is equal to, here y is there, write y minus sec x plus y tan x plus y. So see here what we have done here. We have transposed dy by dx left side. So it will be minus x into dy by dx. And after that take dy by dx common. So from here we can get this one, sec x plus y, tan x plus y, and when we will transpose it minus x dy by dx, so we can get minus x from this term, y into 1 y, and transpose this part first term right side, so y minus sec x plus y into tan x plus y. Now we can find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, we have to divide this right part by this, the coefficient of dy by dx. So therefore dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx of y, write it, y minus sec x plus y tan x plus y whole upon sec x plus y into tan x plus y minus x. So it was question number 8, last part. Next question is question number 9. So let us see question number 9. See question number 9. Sec x plus y, x plus y upon x minus y is equal to a, small a. Prove that dy by dx is equal to minus y by dy by dx is equal to y by x, not minus sign here. So we have to find dy by dx and prove that it is equal to y upon x. How we can differentiate? Firstly, transpose sec right side. We can write x plus y upon x minus y is equal to sec inverse a. Sec inverse a is a constant. So when we will differentiate, its derivative will be 0. So right part will be 0. And on the left side, we will use the quotient rule to differentiate it. So write differentiating with respect to x. Apply the quotient rule here. What is quotient rule? Square of the denominator. Square of the denominator. Write in the numerator x minus y, that is denominator, into derivative of numerator x plus y minus x plus y numerator into derivative of denominator x minus y is equal to 0. Sec inverse a is constant, so it is 0. X minus y, differentiate it. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of y is dy by dx minus in bracket x plus y, and derivative of this x minus y, derivative of x is 1 and y derivative is dy by dx of y. We can cross multiply here, so it will be 0. X minus y whole square is equal to 0. Open the bracket, x minus y into 1, x minus y into 1, x minus y, plus x minus y dy by dx, minus x plus y into 1, minus x plus y, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus x plus y into dy by dx. Now we have to simplify it. Take dy by dx from the second term and the last term. Take dy by dx common. We will get here x minus y, and from here plus x plus y. Other terms x minus y. So x minus y. Open this bracket. So minus x minus y. And right side is. So x minus x cancel. Y cancel with y. So dy by dx into 2x minus 2y minus y minus 2. dy by dx, 2x dy by dx is equal to 2y. We can divide by 2. So what will be dy by dx? What will be dy by dx? Y upon x. Proved. So we have to prove that dy by dx of y is equal to y by x. Next question is question number 10. There are 3 parts in this question. We have to solve here only one part. So see question number 10, first part. Question number 10, first part. Y is equal to x sine a plus y. And we have to prove that dy by dx is equal to sine square a plus y. Sine square a plus y upon sine a plus y minus y into cos a plus. We have to prove this one. Y is equal to x sine a plus y. So what will be x? Make the subject x. We can write x is equal to y upon sine a plus y. X will be equal to y upon sine a plus y. Now we will differentiate both sides with respect to x. Left side differentiation, it will be 1. Derivative of x with respect to x, 1. On the right side, we have to use the quotient rule. So differentiating with respect to this side will be 1. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Right side we have to apply quotient rule. So it will be sine square a plus y. What is quotient rule? Square of the denominator. So sine square a plus y. Right here. Sine a plus y means the denominator into derivative of numerator. Dy by dx minus numerator y dy dx of denominator sine a plus y. Cross multiply 1 into sine square a plus y is equal to sine a plus y dy by dx minus y Differentiate sin a plus y. We know that derivative of sin x is cos x. So we can write here cos a plus y. Sin a plus y derivative is cos a plus y. Now we will differentiate this a plus y. So derivative of a will be 0, constant, and derivative of y is d by dx of y. dy by dx. A derivative 0, y is dy by dx. Take dy by dx common. So take dy by dx common. What we can get? Sin a plus y. Sin a plus y. Take dy by dx common. Sin a plus y minus y cos a plus y. And it is equal to sin square a plus. We have to prove this result dy by dx. So find dy by dx. We will divide left part by the coefficient of dy by dx. So therefore, d by dx of y is equal to sin square a plus y upon sin a plus y minus y cos a plus y. Proved. We have proved this result. So it was question number 10. First part. Do yourself the remaining two parts. Now last question is question number 11. So see 11th second part. All the parts are same type of problem. Question number 11 second. Question number 11, second part. It is given y is equal to root sin x plus sin x plus sin x plus and so on up to infinity. And we have to prove that to prove 2y minus 1 dy by dx is equal to cos x. Okay, so 11 second part question is this one. We have to prove this result. It is up to infinity. We can write it y is equal to sin x. If we cover this first sin x, then the remaining part will be what? Again under root sin x plus and so on up to infinity, which is equal to y. If we cover this first term root sin x, then other term this part is what? It is also y. Okay. So we can write here sin x plus y. Sin x plus y. Squaring on both the sides. So take the square to remove the sign of root. So what will be y square? Sin x plus y. Okay. Transpose y this side. Y square minus y is equal to sin. Now differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. What will be derivative of y square? It will be 2y. Firstly differentiate this power. So y square derivative will be 2y. Now differentiate y. 2y into dy by dx. Derivative of y dy by, and derivative of sin x, we know that it is cos x. Derivative of sin x with respect to x is cos x. Take dy by dx common here. Take dy by dx common. So what we can get? 2y minus 1 is equal to cos x. We can write it as 2y minus 1 dy by dx is equal to cos x. So we have proved this result. So it was question number 11, second part. Remaining two parts is same. So you can try to do it. So in this way, exercise 5.8 is completed in this video. Try to do some questions yourself. Any doubt you can ask. In the next video, we have to start new exercise 5.9. So try to do some questions. Any doubt you can ask. Okay, thank you class.